So my name is Eric. I'm currently a software engineer, and I wasn't always a software engineer. I came from the financial field, and I came across this Data Science 360 under the recommendation of a friend. So I took up this course because it was one of the few courses that actually teach data science using Python, where I researched a lot in the market that were taught not using Python but programming language R. So anyway, I found the course I found it very interesting mainly because I didn't expect it to be I didn't expect the trainers to be so hands-on and I would say they are very familiar with their subject matter. I think it was very refreshing to be trained by people who are actually in the field itself. Yes. So yeah, Dr. Lau and Edmund brings that to the table. For me, I would say this course probably equipped me with a lot of career opportunities moving forward. Speak to Dr. Lau or Edmund if you guys are interested, and yeah, you can find out a lot from there. Yeah, I would say that based on my personal opinion, I would think that they are both more than qualified to help you in this area of data science. Yeah.